This is a 2007 BMW 328i. A good friend of mine was rear-ended, which caused his pride and joy to check in at the car doctor. The guys at VNR Auto Body are going to heal those wounds. So let's get started. We strap this beamer on the frame machine and get ready to pull. You must always be aware of what you're doing. One snap of this machine can kill you, so be careful and listen to the stress of the metal. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. We continue the bodywork and prepare for paint.